Layered control is what makes complex texture look intentional rather than messy. Today, how to design layered speckle graphics. Start Photoshop with a 2048 pixel square canvas filled with medium gray. Add a new layer, fill it with black, and apply Add Noise at roughly 75% Gaussian monochromatic. Open levels and isolate speckles, then switch blend mode to screen. Duplicate the layer twice, scaling one slightly larger and blurring it to simulate depth. Lower opacity of each layer differently so variation builds gradually. Group all speckle layers and apply a mask to subtly fade edges.